I spoke with a customer recently who had a question about his process where he wanted to measure the time in the process from a particular step to another step. And I asked him whether he knows how to do this with Cisco, and he said, well, no, it's not possible because these steps are in the middle of the process. And the beauty is you can do that with Disco very easily. So I want to show you too. Maybe there are some of you also who don't know how to do that. So I'll show you real quick. Here we have a process map and there's different activities that exist, right? So what we are interested in this example is that we see there's different signature activities. We see request signed L1, request signed L2, request signed L3. We want to actually know the time from the first signature until the payment to the customer, because this is a refund process and the customer in this consumer electronics refund process receives their money back. So there's 3 different activities that indicate a payout to the customer. We want to know the time for the process between the signature and this payout. To do this, we can simply add a filter. We take an endpoints filter, and per default, the endpoint filter gives you the start and the endpoints of the process. So the very first or the very last activity. But we have the choice to use one of the 2 trim options. So here we use the trim first. And then you get all of the intermediate steps also. All of the middle steps in the process become an option for you to choose. And we can freely choose, in this case, the first signature activity. And here we're going to choose all of the payment activities, because all 3 are a valid endpoint. And now we are saving this as signed until payment issued. And as a result, you can see, we are now not looking at the full process anymore, like before, where we had statistics for the whole duration of the process, for example. But now we have cut out just this piece of the process, which means that also in the duration statistics, we only have the statistics from the selected steps to the selected steps in the process. We see this takes around 22 days on average. And now we can continue the analysis, for example, looking at the performance, analyzing the variance, everything that we would normally do, but just on this cut out part of the process. Now, I hope this was useful. Thank you. Bye.